Greetings, everyone. I hope you all had a blessed Labor Day weekend. Here's your daily news report, fourth stimulus check update, and fourth stimulus package update. New stimulus payments are being issued to more residents in 10 more states. Please make sure to watch until the end of this video to learn how to enter my $100 Walmart gift card giveaway. President Biden celebrated his close relationship with labor unions during an unscheduled Labor Day trip to a local branch of the International Brotherhood of Electrical Workers in Delaware, noting their critical role in advancing his political career. President Biden has cultivated even closer ties with unions in recent months. Back in April, he established a White House task force to explore ways to improve the ability of unions to collectively bargain with their employers. President Biden also met with unions leadership, including IBEW President Lonnie Stephenson. He interacted with some workers during the short visit. Biden drew criticism from Republicans in recent days over his decision to travel home for Labor Day weekend despite the ongoing crisis. So everyone, what are your thoughts on President Joe Biden right now? Please leave your thoughts in the comments section below. The Social Security Administration needs more money soon. The government agency's latest report shows that the combined trust funds used to pay Social Security retirement, survivor, and disability benefits will only be able to pay out as scheduled through the year 2033. And after that, the program will be able to only pay 78% of the benefits. Major solutions to fix the shortfall will most likely need to come soon from increasing taxes or slashing benefits. Consumer prices have soared during the month of June and also in July at an annual rate of 5.4%, the highest since 2008. Steeper prices for food, gas, cars, and countless other things are squeezing Americans, especially older ones with fixed, often modest incomes. But there's one bright side. The spike in inflation could provide seniors next year with their biggest Social Security boost in almost 4 decades. In fact, advocates just raised their prediction for how large a 2022 cost of living adjustment, also known as COLA, is likely going to be. Meanwhile, members of Congress have proposed changes in the way that COLA is calculated, which could result in even bigger benefit checks for 55 million retirees, their dependents, and survivors. Seniors are now scrambling to find ways right now to save money as inflation takes its toll on them. But the big question is, will the next Social Security increase be big enough? Based on how inflation ran in the year 2020, Social Security's cost of living adjustment for this year, which began affecting payments in January, was just 1.3%. It boosted benefit checks by an average of only $20. However, one of the biggest proposed changes could come if President Joe Biden's plan, which proposes adding an extra $200 to millions of monthly Social Security payments. According to CNBC News, President Biden has said he plans to increase Social Security payments by at least $200 per month, which would affect retirees as well as veterans, and also supplemental security income recipients. The additional benefit was first proposed by 2 Democratic senators, Oregon's Ron Wyden and Massachusetts' Elizabeth Warren. The two estimated that such a supplement would add $4,000 in the pockets of seniors and people with disabilities who have earned this benefit by contributing to Social Security with every paycheck, and improve the lives of millions of Americans, and also help our economy stabilize and recover. So everyone, do you think that the $200 Social Security raise should be passed? Please leave your thoughts in the comments section below.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much, everyone. Mr. President, happy Labor Day. And happy Labor Day to all of our friends in labor. And hello, everyone. Thank you for that very kind introduction, Governor. It's so wonderful to be here. And not my first trip to Chicago, but always a wonderful trip when I'm able to visit. I'm so grateful to be here with so many leaders who have made today possible. I'm honored to be on the stage with the wonderful folks moving this wonderful place forward. And thank you, Madam Superintendent, for all of your leadership. It's wonderful. And I'm happy to be here also with so many people who have made it their life's work to tell the story of America through our public lands. I thank our incredible National Park Service employees for their hard work, employees and volunteers for their hard work that led to today, and for the work they do every single day to tell America's story and to make visitors feel welcome. I also thank our amazing partners who worked so hard to make this weekend a fantastic success. I am very honored and proud to be here with my former colleagues, Chuy Garcia, there at the end. Thank you. It's so wonderful to see you. And also with my sister, Robin Kelly. Always happy to be in her company and absolutely recognize that her hard work reverberates all over the country for so many of us. And I'm very proud to be here with you as well.
The key word, everyone, for this video is mountain. Please make sure to comment below this keyword to enter my $100 Walmart gift card giveaway. The states of California, Colorado, Maryland, Florida, New Mexico, New York, Georgia, Michigan, Tennessee, and Texas have all established an extra stimulus program to aid its residents hardest hit by this crisis. All of these states are either tapping into their own budget or are using the extra money allocated in federal relief as part of the American Rescue Plan. States across the nation were allotted more than $200 billion to spend on economic recovery from this crisis and have until the end of 2021 to use these funds. Many households have already spent their third stimulus checks, which the IRS started dishing out in March of this year. And also, millions of Americans are losing their extra unemployment benefits this week. Californians earning less than $75,000 a year can expect to receive a $600 check in the next coming weeks, and an extra $500 if they have a dependent. Earlier this year, Governor Ron DeSantis also approved $1,000 bonuses for states' teachers and principals in its K-12 public schools and public charter schools. Governor Brian Kemp authorized a one-time $1,000 bonus check for full-time teachers and administrators in the state of Georgia. Part-time teachers will receive a $500 check. The state of Maryland authorized stimulus checks earlier this year, but with a catch. The extra cash is only available to those who claim the Earned Income Tax Credit on their tax returns, a credit that is geared to low and moderate income earners. Back in April, New York also approved a fund. The $2.2 billion program for excluded workers will provide payments for hundreds of thousands of people who are not eligible for other government aid, but has also been criticized by many Republican lawmakers. Everyone, thank you so much for joining me here on this Labor Day weekend. I greatly appreciate it. To enter my giveaway, please subscribe to my channel, like this video, and also comment below the keyword of the day. Thank you so much, everyone, and have a very blessed week.